Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the year, the 2025 Bugatti W16 Mistral. This stunning machine is turning heads with its jaw-dropping performance and the iconic Bugatti styling. But it's not just about looks. Underneath that gorgeous exterior, this car has some serious power. Let's explore the details and see if it's worth the hype. Let's start with the exterior, where Bugatti has really outdone themselves. The 2025 W16 Mistral is finished in a striking orange, which makes it impossible to ignore on the road. The color choice is bold, yet it complements the car's aggressive and aerodynamic design. From the front, the signature Bugatti horseshoe grille sits proudly, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an almost futuristic look. The body has those iconic curves, smooth yet sharp, emphasizing the car's speed and precision. The sculpted rear with its quad exhausts and rear diffuser is a work of art, and let's not forget the sleek roofline that contributes to its track-ready performance. It's clear that Bugatti hasn't just made a car, they've created a masterpiece. Step inside the W16 Mistral, and you'll be enveloped in luxury and technology. The cockpit is a blend of high-end materials like fine leather, carbon fiber, and polished metal, all crafted with the utmost attention to detail. The seats, wrapped in premium leather, are designed for comfort and support, even during high-speed maneuvers. You'll notice the driving position is perfect, with the steering wheel and controls intuitively placed for easy access. The digital dashboard and center console are loaded with tech, including a high-resolution display that keeps you informed on performance stats, navigation, and media. Bugatti has also gone the extra mile in offering personalized options, so you can make the interior match your style. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Bugatti W16 Mistral is powered by the legendary W16 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,600 horsepower. This monster engine, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, rockets the Mistral from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest road cars in the world. The handling is razor-sharp, thanks to its lightweight carbon fiber construction and active aerodynamics that adjust depending on the speed and driving conditions. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling a tight corner on a racetrack, this car gives you confidence at every turn. The sound of that engine roaring to life is nothing short of symphonic, a true testament to Bugatti's engineering brilliance. But let's get real here, luxury comes at a cost. The 2025 Bugatti W16 Mistral has an estimated price tag of around $5 million. It's not a car for the average buyer, but for those who can afford it, this is a symbol of exclusivity, engineering, and performance at its peak. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in automotive history. So, what's the verdict on the 2025 Bugatti W16 Mistral? It's everything you'd expect from a Bugatti. Absolutely breathtaking performance, a design that demands attention, and an interior that's nothing short of luxurious. If you're a car enthusiast with deep pockets and a need for speed, the W16 Mistral is a dream come true. Let me know what you think in the comments. Would you take this beast for a spin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss out on future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.